Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study classifier performance evaluators for two-class and multi-class classifiers. At first, let us study the performance parameters for two-class classifier. This is done with the help of confusion matrix for two-class classifier as shown over here. In this case, let us consider an application where a classifier has to decide between if a patient is having COVID-19 disease or not having COVID-19 disease. Now there are four scenarios when the actual value is no and predicted value is also no. Second, when the actual value is no but predicted is yes. Third, when the actual value is yes and predicted is no. And fourth, when the actual is yes and predicted is also yes. So there are two scenarios when the decision is right and there are two scenarios when the decision is wrong. So true negative and true positive are the correct decisions, whereas false positive and false negative are the wrong decisions. Now, false positive is the case when we say that the patient is not having COVID-19, but the predicted value is yes. So, this is called as type 1 error. And in the other case, when the patient is having COVID-19 but the classifier is saying no, this error is called as type 2 error. Now, although both the errors should be avoided or they are undesirable, still we can tolerate false positive, because in this case, if the patient is not having disease and still we are treating, still it is fine. But in case of false negative, this error is not at all tolerable, because here the patient is having the disease and we are saying that the patient is not having. So this might go untreated and then it might prove hazardous to human life. So false negative error or type 2 error should be as minimum as possible. Now from these values, so from confusion matrix, we can calculate following parameters. First is accuracy. Accuracy is calculated by true positive plus true negative upon total. In this case, the accuracy is 0.9, that means 90%. Misclassification is calculated by two ways, either FP plus FN upon total or 1 minus accuracy. So here the misclassification rate is just 1%. Sensitivity is TP upon TP plus FN. This is also called as true positive rate or recall. False positive rate, it is calculated as FP upon TN plus FP. It is 0.2 in this. Specificity is calculated as Tn upon Tn plus Fp or 1 minus false positive rate. Precision is equal to Tp upon Tp plus Fp. Prevalence is equal to Fn plus Tp upon total. And the last one is ROC curve. Here it is a graph where on x-axis we have false positive rate and on y-axis we have true positive rate. The ideal case is when the false positive rate is 0 and true positive rate is 1. As the graph is more and more steep, it is more towards the ideal. Now let us study the confusion matrix for a multi-class classifier. We can see predicted values and actual values for the matrix given here. This matrix indicates the result for a numeral recognition application. Here we have 10 classes from 0 to 9. In this situation, we have applied 15 test samples and the yellow squares diagonally show the correctly classified results. For example, in the first case, for class 0, we have applied 15 test samples and all 15 are correctly classified. In the third case, in class 2, we have applied 15 test samples. Here 14 are correctly classified and 1 is misclassified as class 6. In the next case, when we apply 15 test samples, 14 are correctly classified as class 3 and 1 is misclassified as class 2. So this way the classification output is obtained for all the numerals. Finally, the recognition rate or recognition accuracy is calculated. It is 97.33%. This is obtained by adding all the values diagonally divided by the total number. So 15 test samples multiplied by 10 classes is equal to 150, and there were total 4 misclassification results. That's why 146 divided by 150 which comes out to be 97.33%. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you.